The verse, known as the Shema, here, is the foundational declaration of Jewish faith and one of the most recited passages in Scripture. It commands Israel and all believers to know and affirm that God is singular, unique, and perfectly unified. The Hebrew phrase is YHWH Eloheinu YHWH Echad. Literally, YHWH is one. Here, O Israel, calls for focused attention and obedience, not casual listening. The Lord our God identifies YHWH, God's covenant name, as Israel's exclusive God. A Lord is one, echad, emphasizes absolute oneness. God is unique, undivided, and incomparable. No other gods rival him. Echad can mean compound unity, like one cluster of grapes. Still, here it stresses exclusive singularity, one God, not many, and perfect unity in essence, countering polytheism. Spoken by Moses as Israel prepares to enter Canaan, Deuteronomy 6:4 reminds them of God's uniqueness amid idol-worshipping nations. Surrounding cultures had multiple gods for sky, fertility, war, etc. The Shema insists, YHWH alone is God. Jews recite it twice daily, often covering their eyes to focus solely on God. It's an oath of allegiance. YHWH is our God, no others. Jesus quotes it as the greatest commandment, Mark 12:29, linking it to loving God wholly. Deuteronomy 6:5. To know God is one, a complete unity, means monotheism, no pantheon. Yahweh reigns alone. Deuteronomy 4:35-39. Undivided nature, God's essence, will, and character are perfectly one, no inner conflict or parts. Exclusive worship, loyalty belongs solely to Him. No idols, divided hearts, or backup gods. For Christians, this unity undergirds the Trinity, one God in three persons sharing one divine essence. Jesus affirms it while revealing Himself as divine. John 10:30, "The Father and I are one." Knowing God's oneness demands total devotion, undivided heart, love God with all heart, soul, might. Deuteronomy 6:5. No split allegiances to money, power, or approval. Exclusive obedience. Reject idols, modern or ancient. Anything we fear, serve, or trust more than God. Unified living. Align thoughts, words, actions with God's singular truth, not cultural relativism. Daily application. Morning affirmation. Recite the Shema to center your day on God alone. Decision filter. Ask, does this honor the one God, or divide my loyalty? Witness. In pluralism, boldly affirm, there is one God, Jesus reveals Him fully. Pluralism. All paths lead to God. Response. Shema demands exclusive allegiance. Trinity confusion. How can God be one, yet three? Response. Echad allows unity in diversity.